Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Interested and willing to make escape. All those bubbles. This is an Anita's white metallic with a little bit of Venetian blue in it, I believe. I have a very pale purple that I'm almost out of. I don't think that's it. Where is it? I don't see it. I don't see it handy at all. That's not light enough. So I'm going to throw a little bit of more Anita's white metallic that has something in it. And we're just going to start and see where it goes. Actually, you know what? I think I have a much shorter edge catcher, and I'm interested in seeing how it works. So if I let that puddle up, then when I squeeze it back down, I get a whole new configuration. And at that point, I can decide if I like that amount of blue or if I want to continue on adding more things. And in this case, I'm just going to keep adding more things. If I can get things to cooperate. Kind of want to do something with that purple strip, like spread it out. And I could spread it out with using a straw also. So don't think you're limited to what you can change things around with. No matter what drips down, I'm going to spread it out with a spatula to help me with another layer of paint. And I could even, do I have one left? Yes, I saw it fall. I heard it fall first. And I hope it is resilient because it's my little blower and it was absurdly expensive for what it is. Although, if you can't find it anywhere, it makes it dear. So I spread that paint out in the off chance that it would help me spread more paint. And what I really want to do is take the paint off my edge catcher and use it, because there's no point in not. And if it's gray-blue, fine. I wanted a really subtle sky with some white in it anyway. Let's just go this way. And I know I can put some more white in there if I want to. And if you tip it back to blend it with the blue first, then it will help. Then it will spread it even that much better. I don't usually catch paint with my right hand, but I don't mind doing so on this point. At this point, the problem isn't catching the paint, it's letting it slide back again. Excuse the frog in my throat. Now, I often think that these white areas look like clouds. And I usually use Anita's white metallic. But this time I wanted to go all the way with the Artist Loft. And it's time to hit it. Is it? Very briefly. I want to do something else, which I kind of do, I've spread out that paint pretty well. I really did want that. I found it. That purple I was looking for. I'm not even sure there's enough left here to shake. Now that is a yellow with some orange in it. And this is some Arteza Golden Hour, which I happen to like a lot, which is metallic. This is an Arteza Tangerine, if the marble will allow some to come out. I don't know what this is going to be like, but I'm excited about trying it. This, I think, has some iridescent pearl in it. But I'm not sure because I made up a bunch of new paints. I have... Do I? I do. I have some Folkart color shifting purple, which I can't resist. I thought I was going to use something different, but then I changed my mind. So if I get mostly sky, that might be okay with me. I'm going to move my edge catcher down. I don't like it when the bracelets stick to my wrist, but that is par for the course, thinking I have to wear them. I think I lost my pink. Just blowing a bubble and trying to pick up a very painty edge catcher. Letting all that go all the way over, hopefully. That filled in quite nicely until I lost control, which could be a good thing, and often is. Accidental art is best served by accidents. At least on occasion. I'm going to take a little more time to blowing across the horizon. Let that white pull everything down with it, and maybe a little more across, although I really like that purple. I like that purple enough so that if I grab myself a skewer, I think over is good, back and forth maybe not so much. I don't mind playing fast and loose and trying to mix some of that blue in at the horizon. Especially if I move it down, then everything else might move down too. I'm not sure about that pink right there. Maybe I'll blow into it. It's all going to change if I change it anyway. Let it all go up a little bit and down. Make some more interesting shaped clouds. I think that golden hour is going to make a good sun. Now I've got paint on my edge catcher, and it might be pretty or it might not, but it will make an area of my canvas available to me with some of the sunset colors or sunrise colors or whatever sun colors you have. I really wanted that sky. I'm happy with that. I have some leftover Amsterdam white and black. More white than black. I think the black is dried up. I'm just going to scrape off my spatula. I might steal some colors out of the sky to go in the base. I am going to take all that paint and use it right there and here and right across the bottom. Take that thing that does not belong out. Spatulas are great. You can find these OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatulas on my Amazon link, which is on the link tree, which is the first or second blue link under the video, depending on if I've remembered to add the exhibition, to add the, oh boy, it's that kind of day again. Same day, different painting. Anyway, Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree is under the video, and the tools video for the creation of small acetate tools, which I will probably use in a minute, might be the first link under the video. So I seem to have plenty of that. Come on out. Or not. Be that way. Oh, I've got so little. That could be a good thing. And this is some emerald green from Folkart. That was an Artist Loft amethyst. And this is my opportunity to play with things. So that's what I'm going to do. As long as the paint's still wet, I'll be able to do something more creative. I have been missing, and I'm still missing, but I'm going to find right now. There it is. They're never far away. Some green gold. Kind of want some Prussian blue. I wanted to do something with trees, but I still don't. I get to this point and I don't really care anymore. I try and take a minute to use my time and spread that paint over the edge so I have a somewhat cohesive area. I seem to be making cells without much worry. I've got purple cell activator. I don't get too elaborate with the bottoms because just a few colors is usually enough. I do, however, tend to want to go back and play with the horizon. On occasion, more often than not. And there's nothing to say you couldn't go back the next day either and fix things up a little bit. I like that blue at the horizon quite a bit. What I'm thinking is I'm going to do something I usually do. Put some of that right onto a skewer. and add a little more to the horizon. Actually, I'm going to take one of my, oh, I've got two. I've got 2 minutes left to tell you guys. I do sell my artwork, and if you're interested in making a purchase, you can contact me using the email address that you can find right below the link tree. So that's purple Master's Touch Cell Activator and white, Amsterdam white. Making some nice patterns, which I want some more of. I think you still need a copious amount of paint at some point in time to make this work really well. So I'm going to wipe that off and do it again. I'm really tempted to add a little more of my green gold though. Do I want purple? Or did I hide it? Oh no, there it is. Cool. So I just put a dollop of each right on there. I'm not sure. It's very easy to mess this up if you're using colors you love and you don't take it too seriously. And I'm liking all of that. I'm going to torch that. I'm going to tell you guys, please give me thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. I might have to put some more blue over there. It's not cooperating with me the way I want it to. But I could put some trees in there. Not a lot, just a few. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.